guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS to show you guys a couple of deals. Now I did go to another store and I totally forgot that they were changing their hours. So a lot of stores in my area are opening up at 10 o'clock. So make sure in your area you check before you go to CVS. Now this store opens up early. They usually open at 7. So I'm glad I came to this store, and this is a store that the Redbox machine always works. So hopefully it works in there today, because today probably will be my day. But also Nivea men's body wash is not part of that buy 2 get 5. So I did check online and it was there last night after 12, and then I checked this morning, it's not there. So they're not part of the buy 2 get 5. I'm going to try to pick up the lotions for $4.99. So let's go in store and show you guys a couple of deals. Okay guys, so the first deal is going to be on Eucerin lotion. So I picked up the 5-ounce bottles and the 2.7-ounce bottles. These are on a promotion for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So I picked up 4 of them for $6.49 each, making them $25.96. I used 4 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 2 Smart Source. So there's no size restrictions on those coupons. I had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT, making the total $10.46, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to 46 cents for all of them, or 11 cents each. The next deal is going to be on Nivea lotion. They're on a promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.49 each, making them $10.98. So these at my store used to be priced at $4.99, but everything just goes up so quickly. So they're $5.49. I used 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from our 2 Smart Source. We also had those coupons available on coupons.com, and we have a $2 off one from the app. So I actually used the one from the app and one of them from our 2 Smart Source. So the total worked out to $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. The next deal is going to be on the Axe body wash. So this is not a deal that's in the ad, but it was definitely online when I checked last night. So these are buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale this week too for $10. So I used 2 of the 150 off 1 coupons from our 126 RMN, and this is going to be a Sunday only deal because the coupon does expire today. I used a 150 off Axe body wash CRT, a $2 off Axe body wash CRT, as well as a $2 off 8 body wash CRT. So the total worked out to $1.50, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. The next deal is going to be on NYX lip products. So they're on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $10 extra buck, and they're on sale for 2 for $11.98. You can use a 3 off of 10 NYX CRT if you have that CRT available, making the total $8.98, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So these work out to be free plus a 102 moneymaker. The next deal is going to be on Garnier face care. They're on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 1 of the micellar wipes for $7.59. And you're going to pick up 1 of the clean makeup wipes for $6.99. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off micellar products CRT if you have those CRTs available, making the total $10.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to be $5.58 for both of them, or $2.79 each. The next deal is going to be on L'Oreal Elvive products. So they're on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale this week too for $8. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $16. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as the 4 off of 2 from our 29 RMN. So let's say you don't have the inserts 119 RMN, that 4 off of 2 coupon. There is a 3 off of 2 available on coupons.com, as well as in our CVS digital coupon. So you can definitely combine that with the $4 off 2 coupon that came out in our 29 RMN. So the total works out to $8, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $3 for all of them, or 75 cents each. So I combined both of these deals together because in the red box today, we received a spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks in select Garnier and L'Oreal products. So both of these deals were included in this spend 30, get $10 off. But for some reason at the register, that 10 off of 30 was not coming off. So she had to override it and it finally worked. So the total before coupons for all the products is going to be $30.58. The total after coupons is going to be $18.58. I used a 10 off of 30 instant coupon, of course, the coupon that's printing out for all of us, and you have until Saturday to print that coupon out. So the total worked out to $8.58, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it worked out to be free plus a $142 moneymaker. And also you are hitting beauty because you're spending $30 in beauty items before coupons. So you receive a $3 ECB for hitting beauty, making it free plus a $442 moneymaker. Tresemme, Suave, as well as Dove Hair Care is on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So the Tresemme is on sale this week, 2 for $10, and the Suave is on sale, 2 for $6. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon for the Tresemme in our 22 RMN, as well as a 3 off of 2 for the Suave in our 126 RMN, and those coupons do expire today. The Tresemme one doesn't expire today, but the Suave one does. I had a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT, as well as a $2 off 2 Suave Hair Care CRT. So the total after all coupons worked out to $4.50, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, the last deal is going to be on Tide Pods. So Tide Pods this week are on a promotion for buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So on my card, I did have a 5 off of 15 any purchase, and it did expire today. So I used it towards this deal, and that was the coupon that I got in my text messages. So I did write on the community tab what you have to text to your phone in order to start receiving those coupons. So I picked up 3 of them on sale for $4.99. Making all 3 of them $14.97. So I used 3 different $2 off 1 coupons. So I used the $2 off one that came out in our 29 RMN inserts. So those coupons came out today. I used a $2 off one from pgeveryday.com, and all these coupons are a limit of 1. That is the reason why I had to get it from 3 different sources. I used a $2 off 1 digital app coupon, making the total $8.97, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it worked out to $3.97 for all of them, or $1.32 each. Now, on the picture there, you see that I have a Dawn dish soap for 99 cents on sale. Reason why is because I wanted to use that 5 off of 15, and sometimes it just works funny when it's like below the $15 mark. So it was at $14.97, but I just put it in just in case. But this actually became free plus a moneymaker, is like a 2-cent moneymaker after that 5 off of 15. So I'm definitely going to show you that at the end of this video. Now, the last deal I did was on the Gillette and Venus. So these are on a promotion this week for buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. So I picked up one of the Gillette Mach 3 razors that is included in this deal for $9.29. I picked up one of the Venus Comfort Glide razors for $12.99. So the total before coupons for both items is going to be $22.28. I used one of the 4 off of 1 Gillette coupons from our February P&G, and I also used a $4 off 1 Venus, and that one actually came out of my digital app coupons. I had a 5 off of 20 Shave CRT, making the total $9.28, but you're going to get back an $8 extra buck. So it worked out to $1.28 for both of them, or 64 cents each. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS, and hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips of the deals that I showed you. And I did a total of 4 different transactions within 2 different cards. So one card I did at one store, another card I did at another store. The first card I used was this one right here. Basically I did the Axe deal separate just to show you guys that everything worked out well. And then I did this Tide deal using 3 different $2 off 1 coupons. So I'm going to show you guys the receipts. So with the 3rd and 4th transaction you see here, I did hit beauty like 3 times. So I'm going to show you guys that. And then the 1st and 2nd transaction, I did not hit beauty at all. So I did pick up these 2 items on clearance because I was planning on rolling a $2 extra buck because the deal after coupons was $1.50. I didn't have $1.50 extra buck, so I just put these in so I don't lose my money in extra bucks. So first transaction, Axe body wash, 2 for $10. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. So here goes the receipt for that. So there goes the Axe right there, 2 for $10. And then the Oreo Milka bars were on sale for 31 cents, I believe. Yeah, it was like 31 cents for each of them. Okay, so coupons I used 2 of the $1.50 off coupons. I had that 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, the $2 off Axe shower gel CRT, and the $1.50 off Axe shower gel CRT. I wrote $2 in extra bucks for this. My subtotal was 12 cents. I did use my card for this one, I think, right? No, I used my Fetch Rewards gift card. I used it for all of them, but there was one transaction that I had to pay like 68 cents. So I used my Fetch Rewards for this, and I got back the $2 in extra bucks. So really good deal there. If you're going to roll a $2 extra buck, make sure you pick up something to soak up the 50 cents that's left over. Okay, now for my second transaction, as you guys saw in the video, I had a 5 off of 15 on my card, and that did expire today from a text message coupon that I got from CVS. So Tide Pods, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale this week for $4.99. Reason why I picked up the Dawn, I wanted to use that 5 off of 15, and it was sent to my card. So when you get a text message coupon, it goes automatically to the card. You cannot print it out. So I don't know how the coupon was going to act. So I added that Dawn dish soap for 99 cents, and here goes my receipt. So there goes the Dawn dish soap on sale for 99 cents. Tide Pods were on sale for $4.99. I used a Tide digital coupon, as well as a $2 off from pgeveryday.com, and then the one that we received in our inserts today. There goes the 5 off of 15. I rolled a $5 extra buck for this, so I lost like 4 cents on that $5 extra buck, making the subtotal $0, and I used my Fetch Rewards to pay for this as well. And I got back a $5 extra buck for buying 3 of the Tide. So that was the second transaction. Now for my third transaction, I picked up the L'Oreal as well as the Garnier wipes. And as I expressed in the beginning of the video, the 10 off of 50 was acting strange, but she finally got it to work. So basically for this one, I picked up the L'Oreal. They're 2 for $8. I picked up 4 of them for $16, as you guys see there. And then I picked up the Garnier Micellar wipes for $7.59 and the Garnier clean wipes, but I actually picked up this one right here. Those are priced the same as $6.99. Coupons I had 2 $4 off 2 coupons. One from the 119 insert and one from the inserts from today. And then for some reason, the $3 off 2 came off on my card digitally because we do have a digital coupon. And I basically sent everything to my card. So 3 off of 2 came off. I did let the manager know, and they were like, it's no problem. We can't control the system. So I had a 10 off of 50. There it goes. It came off. So she finally got it to work. And then I had that $2 off Garnier Micellar CRT. I had 2 of those, had no issue using both of them. And I rolled a $5 in extra bucks, so that 3 off of 2 actually kind of helped me out. And I got back a $5 extra buck for the L'Oreal Elvive and a $5 extra buck for the Garnier Facial Care. So that was a really good deal there, and all of this stuff does count towards beauty. Now let's move on to my fourth transaction. Okay, so in my last transaction, I did all of these deals here. So Tresemme and Suave, spend 15, get 5. Nivea lotion, buy 2, get 5. And by the way, as you guys saw in the video, those went up to $5.49. Eucerin, I picked up these 4. These each were $6.49. The Gillette razors, $9.29, $12.99, and these were 2 for $11.98, giving us a $10 extra buck back. So here goes my receipt for all of that. There goes the Suave Professional, 2 for $6. Tresemme, 2 for $10. There goes the NYX products, 2 for $11.98. And this is included in the sale. So I was super excited to get something new. And then we have the Nivea lotion, $5.49. Then we have all the Eucerin lotions. There's no size restrictions in those $3 off 1 coupons, and they are a limit of 4. So $6.49, $6.49, $6.49, $6.49. Gillette Mach 3 razor, $9.29. And the Venus razor was $12.99. Okay, here goes all my coupons here. So the Venus, the digital one came off, and I did have a paper one, but for some reason she pressed total and the digital one came out first, as well as for the Nivea body lotion. So I had the digital for Venus and the digital for Nivea body lotion. There goes all the coupons right there. And I had a 5 off of 20 anti-shave purchase CRT, a 350 off 15 lotion, a 3 off of 10 NYX Cosmetic CRT, a 250 off 8 Tresemme, and a $2 off 2 Suave. I rolled $41 in extra bucks for this, and I got back a total of $38 in extra bucks. So here goes the $5 extra buck right here for the Tresemme and Suave. And remember, guys, Dove is included in this as well. I got $8 back for the Gillette razors, $10 back for the Eucerin deal, $10 back for the NYX deal, and $5 back for the Nivea body lotion. So I did hit beauty 3 times within the third and fourth transaction, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right there. So third transaction, I used $5 in extra bucks and got back 10. Fourth transaction, I used $41 in extra bucks and got back 38. So I used a total of $46 in extra bucks, and I got back 48 within those both transactions because those both come from the same card. I only needed $12.28 to hit beauty. So I'm going to show you that really quickly on the receipt. There it goes, $12.28 to hit beauty. So I have a total of $95.50 worth of beauty items. So everything basically counted towards beauty here except the razors. So that's a super hot deal. So I'll get back a $9 beauty buck, making the third and the fourth transaction free plus an $11 moneymaker. As you guys saw in the first and second transaction, I didn't hit beauty at all, but I do plan on doing beauty deals for that card. Now I checked my receipt. I didn't get a 10 off of 50 or a 4 off of 60 or a 6 off of whatever, but I'm going to try tomorrow because sometimes it comes out on Mondays. So usually I get it on Sunday, but sometimes they do come out on Monday. So I'm going to do 2 different transactions with each card to see what happens, and I'll definitely bring those videos for you guys this week. But there's way more to do at CVS. This is not everything, so make sure you stay tuned for the videos during the week where I go in store and show you a couple more deals. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.